There's a reason you feel like you're always chasing the move. It's not bad timing. It's where you're looking. Most traders are trying to anticipate the market, but what they're actually doing is looking backwards. They're seeking confirmation. We want the market to prove itself before you risk your capital. By definition, the proof arrives too late. The opportunity is happening now. The confirmation comes in here. But when you wait for proof, you're checking over your shoulder for something that's already happened when the opportunity is past. Prediction and confirmation is a trap, and the question is, has it confirmed? We're focused on the past. You hesitate and you chase the move. The trading edge comes from anticipating and positioning. Where must this hold? The focus is on the present. The action is observation, and the result is we catch the move. See, how to execute and anticipate in real time is locating structure, define defense, and observe the reaction. Pick a level where the market must defend. This is a structure point, and it's not a guess. And then we observe what happens. If this level tested and hold, we have a signal to go. If it fails, the thesis is invalid, and that's just as important. And if it traps, it's a high conviction signal. Now, this is real information. This is not the delay of confirmation. So when we miss a trade, our level is hit. It responds. The amateur hesitates. By the time the proof arrives, the amateur enters just as the opportunity vanishes. And while you wait for proof, the professional has already taken your profit. If you want to trade in the present, in reality, stop looking backwards. If you want to stop being late, you don't need more confirmation. You need to position for the present. Now, if this is something that you want to master in your trading, stockindextradingroom.com is all you need to know.